Right. So if y'all need a copy, y'all know y'all can hit me up. Cause yeah, all right. So what trend are we in here? In weekly Netflix. Hmm. This is looking like what?
A little uptrend.
A uptrend for sure. But we gotta see where we are now. We got higher
A
low.
little bit of consolidation.
Yep, we do have a little bit of consolidation. So we're in the uptrend on the monthly. Oops, we got a little bit of consolidation on the weekly. And what does the daily look like? Whoa,
Mm, yeah.
yikes.
Y'all are starting to step in.
They are for sure. You're absolutely right. Absolutely right. Okay. All right. Um, yeah. How long you been in this play?
Same week, ain't nothing changed. I've been in there, I think about 3 months.
About a month? Is that what
Three
you said?
months.
Oh, a few months. Okay, cool, cool, cool.
Three. Three.
3 months. 3 months. Okay, and you are green, I'm assuming? Yes, no, maybe so. You
Uh,
ready?
I was
Huh?
down.
Okay. All right.
You must
So,
be under a tunnel.
you know what I'm saying? I don't know what Buddy's saying, but
Well,
okay.
I'm in Netflix and I'm down on it. I'm green on one, but the one we did with Trap, I'm down on that one.
Okay. Netflix and chill. And chill. Okay. All right. So looking here on the hourly, yeah, it definitely didn't dip down. Okay, so going back to the daily because that's really what matters. All right. The daily is what matters. Okay, so what I see here is a high and a low. Now, what is important here is what's going to be the next market structure or the daily. Because you gotta look. Oh, I'm show y'all something. It could be one or two things. Like I see a few things that can happen here. That's why you gotta look at it and examine, like, what do we see? So this low right here, that low, what's taking out by this low. See, when price start taking out lows, they ain't a good sign. Now if it would start taking out highs, like this high up here, then cool. You'd be like, okay, boom. But if it starts taking out lows and looking at how this market structure is set up, it is looking, hmm, yeah, bearish, right? Only reason why I say that is because it took out the low right here. This low took out this low, meaning that it's lower. And if it's low, it failed to go lower, which is why it's pushing up right now. So, from my experience, this could come back to this low, which is the next low, right? Because, wow. And then you got to look at, okay, swing lows. If y'all don't know what the swing lows is, it's the structure points in the preceding trend. So this uptrend stopped here. When was that? That says June 30th. So since June, yeah, that was in a put, right? So it made a low, made a lower high. Higher low, play it to go lower, lower high, play it to go higher. Lower low, play it to go lower, play it to go higher, play it to go lower, pull back. So on this pullback here, gotta watch, right? If this pullback is a lower high, LH means it's selling. You already know where it's going. The next stop is going to be right back here. This is going to be the second stop. And this is going to be the third stop. Now, if it goes under 1144.82, then that's when you start to be like, okay, yeah, I will switch to a put. and this would be the next stop. And then this lower low down here would be a stop. Hopefully, I don't get that low, but I'm just saying market structure, right? Because you have to, so long story short, I think this is going down because this low is lower than this low and it's made a high and a low. Now, it could still go up and come back up to this high, right? It could. Sometimes even if it does make a lower high, sometimes I see even in live trading with futures, like that lower high will turn into a high like quickly. And you're like, oh, okay, because it's kind of like faking you out. Like it's making you think it's going down, but it's not really going down. And then it just whoop, and then the joint just pop up. And you're like, wait a minute, I thought you was going down. It's like, no, we're not going down. So that's one or two scenarios that I see. So low, lower low. So what you need to wait for if you're in a call for Netflix is wait for the next structure point. If the next structure point is a lower high, yeah, that thing is going, the downtrend is not done. And then two, can draw a trend line, right? To make sure. Bam. Now, if it breaks the trend line and comes up to this little supply zone right here, and you gotta wait and see what it does. So two things. Now, wait for the next market structure, which is lower high, right? Or it could be, I don't know, right? If it is a lower high and it respects the trend line, then yeah, these would be the targets. 1182, 1173, and 1144. You see 1144, yeah, that's like the lower day or just the lowest it was. Now, if it breaks the trend line and meets right here back at this high, then you're like, okay, you're trying to see if it's going to resist it, is it going to reject it, or if it blows through it, you'll wait for a break, come back up, retest, boom. Now your new target is right here, 1341. Yeah, something like that. I'll put it in. Yeah, to match what they say. 1341. That would be your new target. So, new structure, lower high or high. It's going to be one of the two. So if it respects the trend line, boom, you got your targets. If it disrespects the trend line, breaks through it, then you got to see what is it going to do here. Is it going to resist or is it going to persist? If it goes break, retest, boom, then you know that's already a target. Does that make sense?
Hello. Yes, thank you.
No worries.
We trapping.
We trapping. You know what I'm saying? We trapping. For sure. Okay. So that's on Netflix. And boom, you know what? I'm gonna do you a solid. I'm gonna publish it. Boom. And I'm gonna send it to you in the chat. Netflix mark up. Boom.
We need that crowd next.
Crown. Oh, you said crowd. Oh, okay. Boom. We need that. We need that.
Yeah, y'all been printing all kind of money with crowd.
Man. So,
Boy, that thing showed me so much love today. It's ridiculous.
it's ridiculous. Oh, he got all the money. Give us $1.
Yeah, thank you. I need the whole 5.
He need the whole 5. Boom. There you go.
I'm broke, baby. I ain't got no money.
I need a G.
I'm broke, baby. Oh, that's funny. Okay. So boom, you got the markup in the chat. Have at it. All right. What you said, crowd. CRW, right? CRWD. Crowd strike. All right. What is crowd strike looking like? Okay. Whoa. Okay. That was a crazy candle. Wowzers. Okay. Where'd you get in, Thavian? At the bottom?
I got in when it was 423.
Okay. Oh, 420. Oh, okay. You eating. David. I mean, David, I'm about to buy all us drinks, y'all.
right, cousin.
Okay, hey, cousin. 423. Oh man, that's a $70 move. Oh wow, yeah. You eating lovely on that. I missed
My
that one.
target
Okay.
510. I'm just trying to see what you see.
Okay, no worries. Okay, boom.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a double shot with all that money.
Man, okay. $70 move on that one. And depending on how many contracts you got. Yeah, that's lovely. Lovely. Okay. Monthly, high or low, fade to go lower. Uptrend, looking great, right? So you gotta check each time frame. Okay. See, make sure there's no conflict. Oh. Lower high there. Okay. Still in the uptrend. Still in a uptrend for sure. Okay. On the daily, what we looking like? Okay, it got a high. Okay. 4 hour got a high. 1 hour got a high. All right. 15-minute lower high. Okay. Makes sense. Okay. So this is the one we care about, the daily. Why? So what normally happens after a high? Who can tell me? Especially an overbought high. Because that means that red high means it's buku people in there. It's overbought. So
It's
class,
pullback.
pullback.
A
Okay.
pullback.
Correct. Now, what's the next market structure pullback?
Say around like 485, 480, like around there.
I mean, we don't know how far it's going to pull back. We're just asking for the market structure. Is it going to be a lower high? Is it going to be a lower low? What do
Oh
you
man,
think?
I don't know.
He said, I don't know. Look, that's why we
Oh,
here,
a
boo.
higher high would be 518. Like a higher high would be 518, but
Yeah,
No,
lower,
what is
high or
what
low?
is the pullback? Who said that? Who said that?
High or low?
Yes, and yes. So, y'all know. I'm gonna take my little lines off. Y'all already know. Fib. And you see like the little W, right? Y'all see it? Wait, for those who don't see it. Ah, I didn't mean to do that. Oops, that was so not what I wanted to do. I grabbed the wrong one. So it's here. So it's like boom, 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 W, right? Y'all see it? Y'all see it or not? Can I make it up? Okay. So,
Yeah.
That
okay,
double
for sure.
bottom.
Right. Hello. Exactly. Right. Boom. B and D. Boo boo. All right. So, Sean. Okay. So this is what I see here on here. It's about to pull back. So if you in it, if you got like at least a couple contracts, I would trim, get your coins because it's about to go down, or you can pull out and come back in, whichever way however you roll. You know, it's your coins. So boom. All right. Now, but again, for the new people or anyone that doesn't know or not familiar with this Fibonacci tool, so I love this thing because it predicts the future. A, B, C, D. So we have A. I'm gonna mark it up. I'm gonna mark it up so everybody can be on the same page. We have A, right? Right there. That's A. Lower low is A. Okay, and then we have B, which is our high, which is exactly where this is now. Now, our pullback that ain't there yet is C. It'll be somewhere between this 25% and this 786%. These are the pullback zones on the Fibonacci retracement. So it'll be on this line, or that on. Somewhere in between there. We don't know because it ain't there yet, right? Now, then we have D1 Target, right? And then we have D2 right here. Move out of my way. Ah, good Lord. Okay. This thing trying to act up, y'all. Why did I do that? It just want to act up. Don't want to be my friend. Okay.
Hey, Mew, so when you doing them targets in the morning for SPY, this is what you be doing right there? Those two green lines
Period.
up top?
Oh, you be seeing them?
Yeah. All right, you be on it.
I be killing them, huh?
Chilling.
Dropping bombs every day.
Listen, I be putting the free money in the chat. If I told y'all between 9 and 9:15, it's gonna be SPY or it's gonna be QQQ. Them high probability setups. Yeah, there's something like that, you know. Yeah, pay attention. One of them lines gonna hit. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. I give away free money in the Patreon. We trapping.
I know
So,
I asked for a lot, but can I ask for one thing? One of these days, can we actually make that trade?
oh, you want to do it live?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You
You
might be
know,
on.
it's Levine. You know
It's a
how we
link.
do, sis.
Yeah. Okay, sis. Why not? Yeah, I'll do a live trade. 'Cause I be seeing Trap be going live in the morning, so I don't want to conflict with what he
He not
got.
trading though.
Oh,
He doing more homework and fundamentals and letting us know how we get in and what he's looking for. And at
okay.
the end of that, he go off, but he don't make the actual trade because he
Word.
not a day trader.
Right. He says that all the time. He absolutely right. He like, I'm not a
So
he like he not a heroin addict. He say that all the
so
time.
Mook,
What's up?
what you be doing on Tuesday around 9:30?
Oh God.
Hey.
Yes. So on Tuesday mornings, I do live trade. So what's today? Thursday. Yep, I do live trade. So I'll be on the futures with Davion. Since you want to call it out. And I'll be doing the stock on the day trade. So yeah, we can. If y'all want to hop on Tuesday mornings at 9:30, I'll post the link in the chat in the Patreon. So boom.
I'm there.
Y'all there? So I probably posted like 9:15 on Tuesday. So I'll be live trading with a small group, but we can expand. We family, right? Y'all want to take the trade live and see how it's done live? It's nothing like it. That live trade.
9:30 East Coast time?
Yeah, East Coast time. Yeah, right when the market open on Eastern Standard Time, because I'm in the ATL. So yes, 9:30. So mark it on your calendars. Don't forget. I'm gonna post the link in the Patreon about 9:15. I probably won't post it twice. Just if you miss it, then just scroll back, So 9:15-ish, might be 9:16, 9:17, something like that. But yeah, Tuesday. That's when I live
Y'all can't be scared to execute the trade when she executed live now.
trade.
So should I go in with a paper trade or should I go in ready to trade?
I mean, try it before you buy it, honey.
All
I
right,
would
I'm gonna
say
have my
get a good
trading
one.
view set up to paper trade.
Yeah, why not? I mean, they got plenty of paper trade options out there. So boom. So yes, we'll get that in. So back to the crowd, right? So crowd is about to pull back, right? How do I know this? Because it's at a overboard high. This is red. So whenever you see how like these don't have no color behind it, that's just regular. When it's red like that, overboard, meaning buku people is in it, it's hot. They gotta cool off, right? So when the market gotta cool off, it pulls back. So once it pull back, that's when C is. What, like I said, it's between 25 and 78. So somewhere in there. And then once it pulls back, that's what I'm saying. This probably be a great place to trim for sure. If you got more than one contract, trim that thing. Because your money about to start going backwards. But if you want to stay in it, stay in it. I'm not a financial advisor, but higher lows is where I like to enter in. So I'm actually probably going to end the crowd. I'm gonna put this on my watch list. Thank you, baby. And I'm entering on the higher low. And then these will be my target. Target 1, 528.48. And then target 2 is 565.31. Questions on that?
Hey, Moo, what indicator you use to mark up that red high?
This? Oh, that's the higher high,
Yeah.
lower low.
Okay,
This.
so it's already on there. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Higher high,
gotcha. Appreciate
lower
it.
low. No worries. Boom. I love that thing. It's my BFF. So it's a great way to learn market structure. Any questions on crowd? I'm gonna put it on my
Nah,
watch.
no questions. But what he was asking, I did learn on TradingView.
Mm-hmm.
If you put the indicator supply and demand, it help
Mm-hmm.
you out with the target zones. Because I think Davion, if that's I'm saying his name right, he said it was going about 510. It will indicate like that's where it's gonna go. Have a chance of going there.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Which indicator is it?
It's the second supply and demand. It says order block.
Order block?
Yup, supply and demand order block.
So we type it in. Supply and demand.
Right there.
Which one is it? Oh, right here? That's it?
Yeah, I believe so. Say like MTF S&D order block. I'm on my phone, so I really can't see it.
Okay, hold on. Let me see.
I'm
That's the
sorry.
only one that say
Yeah,
order block.
yeah. It say like MTF.
MTS.
Yeah, yep. Supply and demand order block.
MTS. Y'all see something that say MTS?
F MTF
Oh,
MTF.
okay. Maybe this one here, MTF. Do you know who it's by?
Say what's that? What's this? I don't know.
Okay.
It say at JP7FX.
Oh,
So
right
let me
here.
get it.
Okay, this one right here. JPFA7 right here.
Yeah,
Okay, that's probably it right there. So let me see. Do it look like that?
yeah. And it'll show like the order blocks of the supply and demand zones, and they'll be
Okay.
red, and then they'll be green for the demand.
Okay, boom. Okay. So that's something for y'all. Bam. Okay, we got the iPhone. Bam. All right. Well, that's what it is. And
Hey,
then
so from your experience, if we don't see no green block, it ain't going no higher.
no, we ain't say that. This is just like
Like
supplies
if
on.
some people don't know supply zones, you know what I'm saying? Like they don't know where the supply zone at. This
Yeah.
will show them like this is supply zone or demand zone. And in the
Yeah.
supply zone, demand zone, you usually get a pullback or you going up.
Yeah.
You know what
Before
I'm
it
saying?
goes. So it actually could pull back to here, right where I got to see. I just literally threw that there. Look how cool that worked out. But it's just saying, yeah, supply and demand zone. So demand is actually here where price bounced from, and then supply is where it resisted at. So of course at lower highs, which is both of these red parts here. So that's cool. So make sure y'all S is a smart order blocks JP7FX. Okay, cool. So that's that. Questions on crowd? Thank you for that, my man.
So,
No questions on crowd? All right, cool. Bam. I'm gonna publish it. Oh, so you go see crowd. There. Huh? What'd you say, sis?
No, I said I liked you throwing that in there. Appreciate that.
No doubt. I'm here to help. You know what I'm saying? You ain't figure that out now? No, I'm just playing. No, we trapping. We trapping. The way y'all be like, oh, that's so dope. So next week we come back, be like, all right, where is that now? And we're like, all right, I don't know. Sis. All right, it's in the chat. People, it's in the chat. All right. Who's next?
Yeah, Palantir.
Palantir. Palantir. All right. Bam. Okay, Palantir. All right. I'm gonna take off my little levels here. All right, so let's start from the beginning. Oh, that thing been running. Whoa. Okay. Sheesh. That thing been running. So monthly is running. Weekly running. Uptrend. Boom. Higher high, higher low, lower high. Bam. Okay. Pay attention to where it's at. Market structure. All right. Lower high. And we got the high. Bam, 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 bam. All right. So are you in Palantir? The lady that called it up? Or no?
Yeah,
You said what now?
I said, yeah, I am.
You are? Okay. Are you green or are you red?
Nah, I'm red overall. I was green today, but I'm overall red.
Okay, I got you. Okay, I can see. All right, let me check the 4 hour. 4 hour. Okay, it's on a high. Okay. And the 1 hour. Okay, it's a high. Okay, 4 hour and 1 hour. I like. So everything is pointing bullish, right? Is make sure there's no conflict. That's why we look at all the time frames. The mainly the higher ones, 1, 4, daily, weekly, monthly. Those are the ones that matter. So the other ones don't matter if you ain't day trading. It's really like, what's the point? So 4 hour cool, daily. All right. So it's made a high. So just like crowd, this is what I would do, is draw a fib. Y'all know this my BFF. This my BFF right here. Bam. Something like that. Is that okay? Bam. All right. Same thing. So, ooh, come down just a tad. All right. So, this is what I see here. Now, it did have a lower high, try to fake you out, but then that lower high came right back in with a higher low. So, lower high is failure to go higher, higher low is failure to go lower, and a high is failure to go higher, which means it's about to do what? What is this about to do? Who knows?
Like it's about
Go
to
lower.
go.
It's going to do what?
Run. It's gonna run.
It's gonna go up.
It could. Who said it
No,
can't?
I'm asking because I thought it was gonna be a lower high after that.
After the higher low?
After the
No.
high.
Oh, after the high. Okay. No, this is looking bullish. That's why we look at the monthly,
Is that a
right?
pin bar that
It's looking
candle
good.
next to the high?
Next to the high, yes,
I mean,
it is. That is
okay.
definitely a pin bar for sure.
Yeah, we going up.
Yeah. So, and failure to go higher. I'm sorry, failure to go lower, and it created a high. So now, normally after a high, we just said this on crowd. What are we waiting for, people? Come on.
Higher low.
Yes, 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 yes. We are waiting for a pullback. Now, it could go up higher
Without the pullback.
before it pulls back. It could, because this price action right here, this lower high, higher low, that just that look kind of crazy. But from this low to this high, how long that took? Let's see, what day was that? That was August the 20th. So from August the 20th until today, the 18th, which is almost a month. So it took a whole month to make this little trend right here, which means if it's been going up for a month, it's definitely should pull back. But depending on what's going on, let's see here. Any news? And the bio shares are climbing today. Okay, so you can read. Why are they climbing? You got like read the news. Okay, AI boosts enterprise growth. So you gotta check it out. It could go higher, but because it made a high, it could also pull back. So long story short, it could definitely pull back. So if you're in a call with it, then yeah, your money about to go backwards. It is. However, once a higher low forms, which I do believe that is going to be
Yeah.
structure, you can definitely add to your position, and then this will be the target 187.72, and then break and retest that, and then 297. Does that make sense?
Trying to figure it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's just, I mean, because it's been running for a month. So this started, I said August 20th until today. So that's today the 18th. So almost a month. So it could go
Trying to figure
up.
out why I'm down because I'm still down on it, and I got in August 12th.
August 12th. Let's see here. Let me see on the 12th. Oh, you got in over here. Ooh,
Yeah.
okay. That's
I took
why.
the nosebleed.
Okay. So I got a question. So what made you
Uh-huh.
get in up there?
On the 12th, let's see. I got it on the 12th. I think this one that Trap put out. Yeah, this was one that Trap put out. because I put that on my notes. But he had like could retest at 179.70, and it could fall to 171, but it was going to resistance at 187. So I think this was one of the track plays.
Okay. So if you got in, like when you got in shortly, it was red, huh?
Oh yeah, that joint took a nosebleed. It took a hit.
It took a hit. Now, because it did that, so Trap said get in right there. Okay. 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 So here,
if y'all didn't notice,
who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Yeah, who is that though? For real. Go right
Tell what's going on. Tell the Seattle.
Me.
Seattle
What you
weather
got
is
going on,
awesome.
sis?
It's been amazing. We've had a wonderful summer this year.
We're
We've
gonna
had a
have
lot
to
going on with many different car
yeah.
shows, much talent going on.
Wait,
And I
man.
understand
Mimi, I know you know better.
Okay. Listen.
I'm all in Mimi business.
Okay, look. Maybe trying to multitask. It ain't working out too well.
I was about to pull an ad. What color it was.
Right. Me, boo boo. Boo boo. So yeah, I just muted though. She good. Just y'all, just don't try to talk about man. We trying to learn and educate over here. We got folks' money on the line. You know. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta stop sharing and share. See, every time I do that, I gotta come and stop sharing and reshare. All right, here we go. All right. Okay. So what was I saying? I lost my train of thought. All right.
I took a nosebleed.
All right.
Why are we
Yes,
in that trade?
yes. Is anybody else in Palantir as well? They took the play with Trap? No? Just me?
I did take the play with Trap.
I'm in it. I'm not in Trap's play, but I'm in it.
You in
I
it?
got a counter question when you finish.
Yeah, I got in that same play.
Okay, you got the same play? Okay. So good news is it looked like it's going up. It does. Yeah, especially on this monthly. Like if y'all check out the monthly, see all this blue. That's good. That's a good thing. But it's about to pull back some more. And then I would say once this higher low forms, like another one of these, and once the higher low forms after here, then I would definitely add to my position because now you can actually tell where it's about to go. That's why I love the fib. Fib give you those great predictions, 187 and 200. So I'm gonna publish that for you.
200 is a January 200 call. So.
Oh, January. Okay, you got time.
I ain't sweating too much. I'm just saying.
Okay, for sure. Look, she says I ain't sweating on it. Okay. Oh wait, what happened? She said ain't no biggie. Okay, there we go. I don't know what the heck happened. Fibbo. Oops. Fibbo. Chopped. There we go. Now, if that high moves, then you're gonna have to move the fib. So this is great for tonight. Now who knows what it's gonna do tomorrow? We can't tell because we can't predict. Okay. So boom. All right. Who's next?
I got a candle question on that one, Moo.
Candle. Okay, what's your candle question?
All right. So the day before we got the Dragonfly Doji.
That's a pin bar.
Yep.
Yeah,
right there. All right. So in your experience, are there always two green candles after the Dragonfly Doji?
Most time, yes, it is.
So we got our green today, and we should get our green tomorrow, like you said.
It could. That's why I said that high could move. See what I'm saying?
Tomorrow's Friday.
Tomorrow's Friday. I don't really like trading on Fridays. I trade very light, maybe for like an hour. Fridays be wonky.
Tomorrow's quad witching though.
Yes, it is. I saw that. Tomorrow is quad witching. She's absolutely right. So
yeah, they probably pull the plug about 2:00.
Yeah, you gotta be careful tomorrow. And that's on everything, because that's where everybody start pulling their money out the market. So yeah. Could go up, could go down. We don't know. We don't control the market. We can just control our position size and our risk management. So focus on that. That is my advice.
They said the same thing about September.
I know, right? But September actually not that bad. Like
I think cooking.
Up 10K on my little plays, But yeah. All right. What's next, guys? We got time for like one or two more. Then it's giveaway time. Ooh, ooh. Let's try to see if we can get done at 8 today. We'll see. Boom.
Can we
Okay.
look
Yeah,
at SPY?
Okay, one at a time.
I
Lyft.
put in the trap. Can we look at? I'm sorry. I put in the chat. Can we look at SPY real quick?
Okay, Spy and Lyft. Got you. Them gonna be the next two. And why? And I got Spy right after this. Lyft. Are you in Lyft, sis?
Yes, ma'am. I got 5 contracts when it was 15 and change.
15 and change. All right. So hold on.
You eating real good right now.
Right now, I was extra happy this morning. Pre-market went up to 26. I was like, "Oh, we hitting that 30 real quick." Got
She
back
like,
down to 22. I was like, "Okay, okay, I'm gonna have a little patience." But next week, I'm looking for that 100% so I could take that profit.
okay, so Levine buying everybody lunch.
After we trade on Tuesday, because I'm gonna make
Word.
Tuesday.
Okay. She said word. All right. So what do we have here? Okay. So clearly, this look crazy, right? It's like all these W's tried to go up, double bottom food, go up. All right, cool. So we got uptrend monthly, uptrend weekly, overbought on the weekly, and overbought on the daily. 4 hour uptrend. Let's see. And 1 hour. Oh, looks like the 4 hour. Okay. Higher high, higher low. Okay. So
Ooh, them some long wicks.
man, okay, you see him, you see him. Okay. So lift high is at 23.50. So these yellow lines is where price has been and where price can come back to, right? So, all right, so I'm gonna tell you what I see, right? 1 second, 1 second. Boom. Okay. So if I was to draw the fib, right? Mm, it would be like this because the move already happened. TP then already smashed, right? So look at that. A, B, C, D1, D2, it left. Lift done hit the TP for the fib. And lift is up here. Look, it gapped up. Whew, that's a big old gap right there. Oh, 7.61% gap. Okay. That's a big gap.
You
So
got another one too on the left. It's almost an $8 gap.
over here, yep.
Like
Boom.
way, not way over. It's like an
Oh,
eight
way
dollar
over.
gap. Yeah.
Oh, right here. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yikes. You gotta watch these gaps. You know, they must be filled. Well, actually, yeah,
No,
they
that one's filled. But if you go over to like August, what's that? 2022 or something?
okay, we ain't
It's
doing all
like a
that.
huge, yeah, I know. I'm just letting you know.
I think he's talking about like right there, like nope. Okay, I believe you. I believe you. We believe him. You guys can look on your charts too. So this gap needs to be filled. Yes, we do know that. So overboard, overboard, higher high, and quiet winter is tomorrow. So what y'all think this about to do though? Anybody want to take a guess? Who want to take a stab at it?
They taking profit.
Yeah. I
Let's
think
go back to
I,
like 19.
I think it's
yeah.
gonna go back. Yeah.
So right now at a higher high, it's definitely going to pull back 1,000%. Now, especially since it printed and it's red. When that higher high is red, yeah, overbought, number one, and number two is going to pull back. Now, the reason why I drew this fib up is because I just wanted to show y'all that it already hit the target. Like this is what you always want for the fib to do. See, the higher low, boom. I probably would have got on this long candle right here if I would have caught it, but it had a nice run up and it gapped up. So the bulls are already winning and have won. Now the sellers are in place. You know, order blocks, liquidity zones, grab your money, sell or switch place. Now, what normally happens at a higher high is it pulls back to a higher low. Okay, we know that because now higher high, higher low, then a lower high, and then down. That's normally what happened. But sometimes a higher high, it could be kind of tricky because this higher high is just means it's higher than this high, which means that the trend still can continue. So once the next higher low forms, then you have to wait for the next structure after that. Because if the next structure, once this pulls back and make another low, higher low, then you can redraw up the fib. I was just showing that to show y'all that it already made the move. Since it already made the move, it gapped up, right? Higher high, next structure is higher low, right? So then you'll have two higher lows, one higher low, two higher low. Now, the tricky part with that is you have to check the other time frames. You know, that's what you have to do. Check the other time frames because one, the next market structure could be a lower high, and then it's gonna just turn around. And two, this higher high could just means it's just higher than this high, but it's still in an uptrend. But you won't know 1,000% sure until this higher low forms, and then see if it forms a lower high. If no lower high forms, and it takes out this high, if it pulls back and then comes back above 2350 or 2357, then you already know. But if it pulls back, let's say maybe here, then maybe do a lower high here, then yeah, you already know. But if it pulls back here or wherever, make a higher low and then keep going up, this will be your point here. This is how you know if it's going to go higher. But if it doesn't come back nowhere near here and it forms a lower high, that's how you know it's going to go back down. But if you don't got your coins already, I wouldn't stay in it, me personally, because I know it's about to pull back. I will wait for a higher low to form. That's what I would do, and then see what it's gonna do, and then just watch.
So any higher low above looks like that last one is 15 or 16. We good?
Well, we don't know how far the higher low is gonna pull. You know what? Hold
Well,
on.
I'm just going off the last one. Anything above that is going to be considered a higher low.
Right, and the
Okay,
next
so
pullback will be a higher low. So let's say this the next fib, right? So this
so I
is
see you got your
continuation.
base right there. So the price is 1551. So if price falls below 1551, now we're going to have a lower low.
Yeah, or just a low. It could just be a low, but we don't want it to pull way back down there.
Yeah,
at
for sure.
15.
Yeah.
Right. But just remember that the pullbacks are between 2158 and 1724. So somewhere between these prices, it will pull back. 1,000% guaranteed. How far? We don't know. We don't control that part. Now, after it pulls back, now if it pulls, like I told y'all, this 786, this 1724, that's it for me. If it if it closed underneath that, then that's definitely a downtrend, you know. But right now, you can't really tell because it's kind of like it can still go up, which is why I drew the fib, right? It's going to pull back. Now, after the pullback, just reiterating, you have to wait. You still gotta wait because you still don't know if the lower high is gonna form. What's gonna be the all-time end all be all is if it takes out this high. If the price goes above 2360, yeah, it's going higher. If it pulls back and does not and just respect this supply right here, yeah, then bye-bye. Trend change. So you just gotta be mindful of that. Does that make sense?
Yeah, but you said pull out. Is that even if you in a long call? Like I
Oh,
got mine till
absolutely.
27.
I mean, if I had 5 contracts, I probably would have one running. And then once the higher low forms and I make my decision, I would re-add back into that because you're in a call right now and your money about to go back there. I'm just saying it is. You know what I'm saying? That's why the candles are red. That means pull back. So I would wait or I would trim. If you want to stay in it and you see your money in the red, then to make the higher low, it's going to go back up. Yes. But you don't know if it's going to go all the way up until this high is taken out. So gotta like kind of wait and see because we don't know yet. But your money is gonna go backwards if you stay in it. I'm just saying. So did I answer your question?
Yes, ma'am. Got you.
Okay. Yeah, okay. I ain't nobody's financial advisor.
You can put that on the screen if you want to, but we know better.
Right. Absolutely. So that's Lyft. Any questions on Lyft? No? All right. That last one was SPY. All right, this is gonna be the last one, y'all. SMBs on our giveaways. SPY. Okay. SPY. Ooh, SPY is up there. Up there. Look at that. These levels is way down here. Okay. All-time highs. All right. Let's check it back. Ooh. Okay. Hold on. Wait, we're gonna take off my little levels here. All right. Excuse me. Uptrend. Right on the monthly. Then you look at the weekly. Uptrend. Okay. No conflict so far. Okay. I mean, so want to make sure everything is together. Uptrend on the daily, 4 hour, uptrend, 1 hour, uptrend, pulling back. All right. So the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Okay. So clearly it's about to pull back. How do we know that? Higher high, number one. And number two, you got a lower high forming right here, which means failure to go higher. So on the daily, hold on. The SPY been running, boy. SPY and QQQ. I know QQQ, my baby. All right. So what would I say about SPY? So, and see how this is what I was saying about what's that last Lyft. See how like the higher highs, it just means it's higher than the previous high. So what I was saying about Lyft is it could make a higher low and then still keep pulling back. Long as you don't see a lower high, you good. But you don't know it's not gonna form lower high until it actually does. So that's what I was saying. So it could mean bullish, could mean bearish. It's kind of in a tricky spot, and SPY is as well. So what I would draw up about SPY, trend continuation for now, because you don't know. Boom. So when you're doing trend continuation, the higher low is the A. And now this higher high can be the B. So same thing with Lyft. Just like Lyft, right? We're waiting for what, people? What are we waiting for?
Hello, hello.
Higher low. Yes, sir. We're waiting for a higher low. That's just how the market works. Look, all of these. See? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. What else? Higher high, higher low. What's next? Okay. All right. So this is what I always say, higher low, right? It's definitely going to pull back because this is like at all-time highs at this point. So this thing been running. Now, at some point, it does have to cool off. Now, the pullback could be the cool off, or it just really depends on what's going in the market. So to be specific, you don't know 1,000% because it could just be repeating the same higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But as long as you don't see a lower high, the trend gonna keep going up. That's just what it is. And pull back, make a higher low. You can add to your position. And if it takes out this high, which means it's going to close above it, as if it closes above 665, yeah, it's pretty much going to go to the targets, which is 672. Break and retest that. 683.62 will be your target. So just to recap and end it off, wait for the higher low. One, as long as you see, and two, as long as you don't see a lower high, it's out of there. But if you do see a higher low, I'm sorry, a lower high, then you already know the trend has changed. But as long as you don't see one, you can see higher lows and higher highs all day. But if you get a wrench with that lower high, going down. But right now,
Thank you.
going up. You're welcome. You're welcome. Anybody got any questions on spot?
Hey, Mu, what's your definition of a correction versus a pullback?
Correction versus a pullback. So I would say a correction would be, so now I got to bring in the EMAs because I could better explain it with that.
Everybody throw different percentages around, so my definition might be different from other people. So I want to see what your take was on it.
Okay, boom. Okay. So, matter of fact, I'm going to 5 minutes. Yeah. Oh, I forgot. I cut them off. 1 second. Actually, no, I can use this. Okay. So let's go back to today. Market open. Okay. So for me, 800, 250 EMA moving averages, right? So I would say as long as the candles are above the 800, you're looking for buys. Now, when the market is pulling back, it's the red candles, red candles, red candles, all red candles is pulled back, right? When the market is pulling back while you're in an uptrend above the 800, that's making the correction because it's trying to correct itself to go back into the trend it's supposed to be in. Now, if you look here, there's a bunch of consolidation going on. All of this craziness. But if you look back here, once you see this, the 50 crossing up the 200 and under the 800, that's super bullish. This is probably why you got this big crazy rip up like that. Because whenever the market, the 50 cross the 200 like that, out of there. And it's above the 800, buys only. And when it tries to pull back, it's trying to make the correction within the trend that it's trying to continue to finish. Does that make sense? Or no? Was that too much?
Yeah, so you're using the MAs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Why you not
Yeah.
you
Go ahead.
you using the EMA estimate? What's the difference between the both?
Tomato. It's a preference. I just love this indicator specifically because I just been using it since day one. My mentor using it. I just never really used the SMAs, but
Okay.
I don't know.
Which indicator that? I'll take a
Huh?
screenshot.
Which
indicator? Which indicator?
Oh, that's ASFX. So ASFX right here.
Yeah. All right.
840 people by whoever that is. P2ic. Yeah, I like that one. So, because it has like all of them on there. And now, like lately, this how I've been trading, just like with the 50 to 200 and the 800, because you can actually see the trend, right? So, anything above these three is bullish. Below these three, like once it between like the 50 and the 200, you wait. This is like wait zone in between here. And see, it crossed down here. It almost came back down to the 50, but like really low key, like slick, the 800 could be like your stop loss, because it's like the trend is just running, and it's SPY is still in a crazy uptrend because it's not in a downtrend until it crosses under here, and this is at 660. So I wouldn't take sales in SPY until it's under 660. I'm just saying. And then it'll correct itself and the trend will change. That makes sense?
All right, I see what you're saying. Now, can you blow that out? Let me see a bigger picture with your MAs.
Yeah, baby, yes, sir. Okay, hold on. You want to say it like that?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, we way above the blue line. Okay.
Period. Hold on. And
Can
it's
I
been
ask you
running for a long time.
where you get your 800 from? I never really heard of it. Just
It's just
curious.
on the indicator.
No, I'm saying like your 800 because I use the 200, the 50, and the 20, but I never heard of it like the 800.
Oh, it just come with the indicator. My mentor uses it, so I use it.
Okay, I
Yeah,
got you.
it's just like use it for my good friend, just like the VWAP. So if it's The candles above it, bullish. The candles below it, bearish.
Okay.
That part. And look how I just been running. Crazy, right? And got all this mumble jumble here. And see, and this is when SPY was in the downtrend. Right here. You see how the candles just came all the way under there like that? And then boom. That's when it was in this one. The only time I would take sales if it's under here. As long as the candles are above the 800, buys. If it's under it, sells. Make sense? See how it's running, 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 running? It just respects it. Like boop, boop, boop. All that. Just the whole time. Been in the uptrend this whole time. Still in the uptrend. No sales until it comes under 660. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
Hey, one more thing before you go, Mu. Can I get your settings for your fib?
Fib.
Let's
Oh,
see
yeah, I
what's
got
happening.
you. Fibby, wibby, wibby. I'm going to put over here. So, do that, and then you can screenshot it. Bam, right there. Make sure these numbers over here, these are your targets right here. The green is your targets. So, make sure they
Got
are.
it.
You got it?
Got it.
Okay. Make sure they negative. -0, -0. That's what it is. Oh, and make sure too, you gotta get this part down here. Uncheck the background, get the bottom part too. Change levels to percents. My labels is on the right side, middle. My font size is 20 so I can see, and uncheck that background because that take all that, like, look, all that crap out in the back. I don't know what that'd be like. I just need to see lines. You know what I'm saying? My eyes be like, what is that? Got it?
Got it.
Get it, got it, good. All right, great session tonight. Okay, so we're gonna do our giveaways, y'all. Woohoo! Y'all know how to do. Pick a number from 1 to 20. One time, you don't need to pick 20. Got my little notebook. This is my journal. I be journaling all my trades. If y'all ain't journaling your trades, you playing yourself. I got buku pages. Don't play yourself. That's how you correct your mistakes. Okay, so one number from 1 to 20. It's always a clown who puts 25 and 33. No, 1 through 20. Okay, 1 through 20. That's what we're gonna do. Super charts, 1 hour with me, the software, and the email with lifetime Marie's in it. So we're gonna do that. Okay. I got my 4 numbers. All right, boom. So, okay. All right. So, first we are going to do let me go back to the chat. Thank you for all of you guys being in here and supporting me every week, because we be trapping. All right. And last week, Davion gave away his prize. That was so sweet of him.
Yes, he did. Praise the Lord.
Won't he do it?
I'm still crying.
Yes. Oh, you yes. So he blessing people in the trap. God bless the trap. All right. So we are going here. I gotta go back up to where it started. Okay. And for anybody that came in late, I put the charts that I marked up in the chat so you guys can have them. Okay. All right. So I am looking. Oh, first we're doing super charts. And I'll show y'all those away. So 1 second, super charts. I'm looking for a number. Miss C into you. Mrs. C into you.
Hey, I'm here.
Okay, hey, Mrs. C into you. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Blessed and highly favored. Yes, Mrs. Seaton. Let me write this down because I'm gonna shout you out in the Patreon.
That's
Mrs.
Texas right there.
Texas, baby. But
Okay,
I'm not a
Texas
Dallas
in the
fan.
building. Okay, she got number 10, y'all. Number 10. She got number 10. So, Mrs. Seaton to you. You hit me up on a Telegram. Like everybody know, if this your first time here, boom, Telegram. That's what you MuLegend 3. Boom. So Mrs. Seaton, hit me up. I'm gonna send you the super charts. And one quick second, let me just I got instructions on it, but just so you can see, like, let me pull up QQQ and show you why this thing is so dope. Wait, I'm on the wrong chart, y'all. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Wednesday chart. Yeah, we need that. Okay. Go to QQQ. That's my baby in Q. In Q. All right. So today, today. What happened today? Okay, pre-market today. Right. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, so basically, boom. Mr. Seaton to you and everybody else in here who has Wyndham or who's going to Wyndham in the future. Pretty much how these lines work is you look for 3 things. You look for rejection. See, on the yellow dotted line, that's what you pay attention to. The yellow dotted line. You look for rejection. 1. 2, break and retest. 2 taps, break and retest. Or 3, bounces. So you see how the price bounced off. This is the previous day low. I mean, previous day close. Sorry. So it reject here, which telling you the next line, if you see wick rejection, the next yellow line is where it's going. It might take a detour, but just know 1,000% it's going there. And look, lo and behold, it made it. Wow. Right to 587.85. Like I can't make it up. Like it bounced off there, lower high, higher, failed to go higher, broke right through the previous day close, and then boom, right here. And then what happened? It bounced off there, and guess where it's going right back to? Hello, right back there. See what I'm saying? That's why the super charts are super dope. So,
How long did that first move take?
I don't know. Let's see. So it rejected on Tuesday at what is that, 350? And then that finally happened the next day at 12:35. So
Oh, next day. Oh, okay.
yeah, next day. It's gonna happen. I mean, it's just a matter of time. I'm just saying. That's how dope it is. And if it bounces off of the level, it comes down, hit the target, boom, going right back there, right back to 592. Can't make it up. So that's why the supercharge is dope. So that's what I'll be sending to you once you hit me up. Okay. All right. All right. Miss Seaton won that. Okay. Where was I? Okay, boom. Congrats to you. Okay, so next we'll do the hour with me. 1 hour of your time with me. Okay. Alrighty. We're gonna go down. Okay, so number 10 is out. We're gonna cross that off the list. Okay. Bim. Okay. Jared Pie. Did I say the name right? Please forgive me if I did. Jared.
That's right.
Okay. I did say it right.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey. Hey girl, hey.
Hey girl, hey.
Yes, ma'am. So you have won the hour with me. So you got the Telegram info?
No, I don't. This is actually my first time.
Word. Well, welcome. Hey, little baby.
Yeah. So I'm new to everything, so I don't know really nothing. So
okay, don't worry. You in great hands like Allstate. Okay, got you. So yes, that's you gotta get the Telegram app, and then you just send me a message and say, "Hey, I want an hour with you," and then we'll coordinate schedules, and then we'll get it. And how do you pronounce your name correctly so I can say it right?
You just say Jay.
Oh, Jay. All right,
My say Paige, but both of us be on here.
Okay. Word. Okay. Jay. Well, congrats to Jay. I'll give it up for Jay right quick. You know what I'm saying? If I had a sound effect.
So real quick, I need to message you on this chat to get.
No, on the Telegram app.
On the Telegram app. Okay, yeah. And your Telegram is what?
MuLegend 3.
Okay, I see it right there.
Yeah. And you'll see me. I got on an Eagles jersey,
Okay.
I mean, you can't miss it. I love the people on the Patreon. We be trapping. Y'all know how we do it.
The Eagles won, but Sunday's game
Hey,
was great.
come on, somebody.
Like,
Against
that
them
was
Chiefs.
great.
Come on. Against them Chiefs, we the Super Bowl champs. Listen, we get it in. Okay. So that is Jay. Jay got the hour. Remember writing this down. I'm shouting everybody on the Patreon 1 hour with me. All right. And next, she got the super chart, Miss Seaton. Okay, super charts. And then next, we're going to do the lifetime of emails. Man, when I say it's buku stuff to read in there, it's stuff on real estate, it's stuff on stocks, technical analysis. Like, you can give it to your grandkids, honey, because that thing is thick. Okay, so alrighty. All right, so that was I forgot. Okay, hold on. All right, I got it. Boom. Okay.
The last number was number 10.
Yeah, 10. What number you have, Jay? I forgot that quick.
I had 7.
Okay, right. Here you go. 7. Bam. She did. I didn't want to call it out and be like, 7. Yes, that is definitely on my list. Okay. Congrats to Jay and Miss Seaton so far. Okay, 2 more. Wait until I see it. Next is the email. Oh shoot, I think I passed. Wait a minute, I'm going back. Nope, not yet. Okay, I got it. DeAndre Knighton. DeAndre Knighton, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
DeAndre. Hey, DeAndre, how are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
Bless. Thank you. DeAndre, just send me your email on the Telegram and I'll get you that
Okay.
email over tonight. You got the Telegram,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, I downloaded it now.
Okay. DeAndre, congrats to him. And then last but not least, y'all, is the super mega cheat code for the $3,000 software. Okay. Oh, and his number. What number was yours again? I got 2 numbers on it. Oh,
Oh, it's
15.
15. Yeah,
I'm tripping.
15.
Yep, 15. I see it. Yep. Okay. And I got one more. One more. All right. Mr. DeAndre. That's right. Hit me up. All right. For sure. Thank you guys for tuning in. And I know, as always, anybody, before we do, gotta shout out my flyer. Anybody want to learn? Definitely take a screenshot of this. Hit me up. That's my real phone number right there. I'll get you right. Get you tight. So that way you'll never have wrong eyeballs ever again. I help correct your eyeballs. I really do. Okay. So that is that. Can I take my class? There you go. Everybody that's taking it, well off. The class basically pays for it. So next week I'll have a Discord ready. So, all right, here we go. Last but not least, boom. Last but not least, I'm waiting for, I see the number and going back. I think I might have missed it. Billy Mathis, you are the winner. Are you still here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Mathis, how you doing?
Doing good.
All right. You got the software, Mr. Mathis.
Oh, sweet. Appreciate it.
No doubt. You got Thinkorswim?
Not yet, but I'll get it.
Well, yeah, it's free. You know what I'm saying? It's it's Charles Schwab. Thinkorswim, yeah.
Yeah, I do all
I
my
mean,
stuff on Charles Schwab, so
okay, yeah. So you good. So it's
okay.
cool on Telegram. I'm on Telegram, Lord, Trading View, but it looks amazing on Charles Schwab. It really does. So
Can I do the question?
yes,
Can I
sir.
do the same things on TradingView that I on Thinkorswim?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Same thing. They all
Oh, okay.
charts, all
All right.
candles. It
I
don't
was thinking
matter.
about canceling my TradingView
Okay. You can.
subscription.
Why not? You know, you can keep the free one. You know, Mr.
Okay.
Mathis, Mr. Billy Mathis. So you got my Telegram, Mr. Mathis?
I do.
Okay. All right. Hit me tonight, y'all. I'm giving out the gifts tonight. Congrats to all the winners. We'll be back here next Thursday. Make sure y'all have y'all stocks ready. Okay. It's been a pleasure. I love all of you. Okay. And go birds. All
Good
right.
night.
Go birds.
Thank you
Appreciate you,
so
Moo.
much,
Thank
Miss.
you. No doubt. Thanks for coming out.
All right, good
God bless
night.
y'all. Good night.